Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage black text processing for color on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, let's head over to the menu. Now here in the menu, let's go over to Adjust and Maintenance. And here, let's click on Adjust Image Quality. So here, we guys can see the settings here, and we have the black text priority and the color text priority. Here we have the feeder, the plate and glass, and what we can do is we can simply slide it so we can prioritize the colored text now, or let me do it again. Let me prioritize the black text. So that's basically how we can easily change it. Now, after we change something, we just click on apply and those settings will be automatically configured. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.